Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 21,800 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. But enough of the chattings, I'm now ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. Alright guys, so today we're in Old Harbour. More specifically, we're at the model unit for Whim Estates, courtesy of the Whim Development Company Limited. And we're about to check out their 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom model unit. They do not have the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom model unit ready and available for me to look at today. So we'll definitely come back when that is ready. So this particular model unit actually sits on a minimum lot size of 4,500 square feet, and I'll show you where that property line is denoted. So from this green line here all the way up to the house, and to the sides are accurate as well. I think I'll just do a walk around of the house before we actually go on the inside. So this is the type of yard space you can expect to the side when you make your purchase of one of these units. And then just look at how far back we're actually going. So this is where your land space ends. If you get a standard 4,500 unit, you actually can pay for a larger unit if you would like, or a larger lot if you would like. Those are available as well. So this 2-bed, 1-bath unit goes for a starting price of 18 million. And we'll talk a bit more about what's going on in the back once we go through the front door. But I just wanted you guys to see what the yard space was like. So let me give you the reverse angle so you get a feel of what a yard space will be like when you make a purchase of one of these units. All right, so we're going to head on the inside now. So like I said before, we're about to step inside the 2-bed, 1-bath unit. You have a window to your right which leads to one of the bedrooms, and a window to your left which leads to your open concept living and dining area. Your front yard is tiled off as well, and there are some nice sized tiles on the inside. So this is what your open concept living and dining will look like in layout. There's also a window right there, so I figure more or less you would put your dining room table right there to get some light in the mornings when you're having your breakfast. So I just want to turn so you can get the reverse view of the space, right? And again, this particular unit, the standard 2-bed, 1-bath, is starting at 18 million, and you do get with that 840 square feet. So this is your dining room, your breakfast counter. If you would like, you could put 2 stools right here. You have additional storage space right there. Coming around into your kitchen, you do have more storage, lower cabinetry and upper cabinetry right here. Have another upper and lower cabinetry setup right here. This is a single bowl sink, but it is a large sink, and you have a window right here that shows you outside and brings in a lot of natural light as well, and a lighting fixture that's right there. You also have one power outlet here and another right there. You have another power outlet in the corner here, and let's just take a brief look at this site map. So this is showing you all the units that will be over here. There will be a parking area right here, a parking area right here, and a green area. A basic school will be within this 24-hour gated community as well. Another green area here. And there is a park and recreational area that will be developed right here, and another green area and parking area as well. So that is the layout of this Whim development. But if you look right here, you see a section that says remainder of some land reserved for future development. So you guys know what that means. If you know what that means, comment down below and let me know. All right. Then of course, we can grab one of these brochures that are very much handy. As it says, Whim Estates, home for sale, 18 million for this particular unit. And it says larger lots available at additional cost. As I was saying before, you have the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 840 square feet, and you have the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 919 square feet standard. All right. Flip it around to the back for some additional details, and we can see where the 2-bed, 2-bath again comes with 840 square feet, 1-bedroom unit with optional direct front patio to side carport attachment, located on the standard 4,500 square feet lot. And for the 2-bed, 2-bath, you have the 2-bedroom unit with optional direct rear kitchen door to carport attachment, located on the standard 4,500 lot. Now the house features cast in place concrete walls, solid surface countertops, trowel wall finishes, solar water heater, pipe for solar panels, AC switches installed. So this place is wired for air conditioning units. And of course, you guys don't know my brand of AC already. Comment it down below and let me know if you actually know what it is. Modern kitchen, ceramic tiles, standing seam roof, drywall, insulated ceilings. And then in terms of amenities that will be at this development upon completion, there will be a gated community, open entrance with 24-hour security, a commercial center, private water supply, community basic school, large green areas with parks, community center, clubhouse with sports and recreational facilities, and a football, basketball / tennis court. So now that we've gotten through all of that, and you also, Whim has JN as their primary mortgagee, but you can use any mortgagee that you like, but JN actually sponsored this project, so JN is their premier or primary or preferred mortgagees. So you can definitely call this person that their business card is here if you'd like to go for their preferred mortgagee option. All right, so let me just step to the back and give you guys a look at what is around here again, even though we did the full walk around. And this particular single bowl sink that is right here, this will be changed on the units to a double bowl, I was told, so you don't have to worry about that. And their motto is room to grow, and you can see that you definitely have room to grow with this particular development and the lot size that you're going to get. You virtually can build another house around the back here if you would like. The only caveat is that you can't trouble the front of the property itself, and you can't build on the existing structure, but you can build out to the back and upwards as much as you'd like, or the parish council will actually allow you. So that's it for the kitchen area. That's it for the dining and living open concept area. And there is a power outlet right here, another one right there, and another one right there in case you're wondering. The air condition switch is right there. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 lighting fixtures inside. So this is the bathroom, but before we step inside, we're just checking out this additional storage space. As you can see, some cleaning items are inside here just to keep the place tidy for viewing. And you have some additional storage space up above. Now, typically, I know that the primary bedroom is to the back of the unit or units for privacy purposes, but this unit kind of looks bigger, so this room kind of looks bigger, so I'm wondering if this is the primary. So I'll leave this one for last and we'll check out this one first. So stepping inside this room, it's the same tiling all throughout. You do have a power outlet here and a lighting fixture right there. You also have another power outlet that is over there. The wiring is done for the air conditioning unit, so there is the switch over there. You get 2 windows in this particular room, and you can look outside. And I hear some nice birds chirping. Hopefully that's a mainstay when you move in. It's always nice to wake up the birds chirping. And you're looking out into the backyard. So that's the room. You get some additional storage up here. You can put some luggage, you can put some large linen, big comforter on them something, which I know Jamaicans love. This is your closet. Standard size. So let's jump into the shared bath. So you have access from outside and you have access. So this is indeed the primary, because you do have the access to it from inside the bedroom. So how this is situated now, there is the toilet paper holder there, the toilet here, have your single vanity, that's right here, and a nice mirror. Hi guys, don't forget to, if you've gotten this far into the video, to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All right, you have a lighting fixture that's right there, shower tub combo. Let me give you a look at the finishes so you know what they are like. And there's a window here, of course, ventilation purposes, and you can look outside. You also have a towel rack that is right here. I was told that there is contemplation to move this sink over to here and move the toilet to here, because over time the moisture can probably creep into the wood from you showering and possibly getting the vanity and the wood wet. All right, so there's some consideration to change it over, but that is not a guarantee at the moment. So this is the primary bedroom, and all in all, this space actually feels spacious to me. You have your power outlet right there, another one right here. Have your nice large window, letting you natural breeze. And you have a nice yard that you'll be looking out into. And this picket fence just gives me a really nice like barn, like what I call it now, like a country style home, living on a farm, living on a ranch. And you have your nice picket fence. You probably have your horses in the back. That's the vibe I'm getting from this Whim development. You have another window over there. Let me show you what the room looks like from this vantage point. Give you a look at the closet. So this is the closet. And the storage up above. Yeah. And that's pretty much it for this beautiful development. Let me grab a seat on this stool and close out this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the 2-bed, 1-bath Whim development. Comment it down below and let me know what you guys think. Also, the application process for this particular, well, not this particular unit, but the 2-bed, 1-bath units and the 2-bed, 2-bath units is going on right now. I have a video on my YouTube channel. I'll link it right here. And I'll also put it in the description below that you can watch to find out how exactly you can go about applying for one of these units and all the documentation that you will need to apply. Or if you don't want to watch my video, you can call Nicole. I'll put her number right here and she will walk you through the process. Also, in that informative video that I did, I had mentioned that they have some service lots available for sale. That was indeed incorrect. I repeat, they do not have any service lots for sale. They only have the 2-bed, 1-bath and the 2-bed, 2-bath for sale right now. So forget about the service units that I had mentioned in that informational video. But as I said, I'll link it so you can watch that video if you want to figure out how to apply, or you can call Nicole and she will walk you right through the process. All right? So thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I do one of these videos for you guys. And I just hope that I can get to the point where I can be doing this fully by the end of 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.